guys, welcome back to the Cyber Scrapper family. What is up, guys? How you guys doing today? I'm back here with another video. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment down below. So today we are gonna go look for copper. We're gonna go scrap and dumpster dive, and if we can't find anything, we got 2 plastic grocery bags and we're gonna collect cans today. So we're either gonna find something in some dumpsters, or we're gonna if we don't find anything, we'll just collect cans today. So I hope you guys enjoy. And we are at our first dumpster over here. I'm gonna go over here. I don't have the bike today because I told you guys that all my bikes are messed up and stuff. So we're gonna walk today. I got my backpack. Let's go. We got our tools too. So just gotta be careful over here, because they got cameras around the dumpsters, so we gotta be really careful. So let's just check to see if there's anything over here. I'm gonna show you guys too. They got cameras beside the dumpsters and stuff. We're still gonna do what we gotta do today. Oh yeah, I see a TV. I see 2 TVs, guys. Look at this. Okay. You guys can see that they got cameras right there. Let me zoom in real quick. Can I zoom in? Yes, no? Okay, but this camera's right there. I know you guys can see that. You'll have to pause the video if you actually want to see the cameras right there. But anyways, we got 2 TVs. We got some nice couches over here too. What is this, a journal? What, a journal? Ew, it's nasty. We got a briefcase there, whatever it's called. Alrighty, so I don't know how I'm gonna do it. How I'm gonna go about doing this. This are gonna be really heavy right there. I don't know, guys. What should we do? I really don't have any place to scrap this. So we'll come back. So I don't have a screwdriver. So right now I don't have a screwdriver. I just end up, I end up just losing all my screwdrivers and stuff. So I'm not really sure how we're gonna, so go about doing stuff without using the hammer, because it's gonna be loud around here, and I already know somebody's gonna call the cops on me. So let's just go over here and see what we can find. I think there's actually a TV over here. Oh my gosh, I think there's a TV over here. I'm trying to get some copper yolks today. See, look, I'm gonna show you guys too. There's a cameras right beside the dumpsters. And it's not pointing towards me, I think. See? Look at that. There's a camera right there. I don't think it's pointing towards the dumpsters though, that much. What's this over here? Is this gold? Was that a cord I just seen too? Okay, let's grab this cord here. Got this cord here. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it, because I'm not gonna pass up a TV just because I think someone's gonna call the cops on me or say something. I don't care. Let's just go ahead and do it. Got my hammer here. Alright, let me make sure you guys can see. Okay. You know what? Let's just hit them right here, 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 right here. And then this should come out. And then we can just pry it open like this, you know? Alright, so this is gonna make noise, so like can you guys see that? Yeah. Okay. Damn, this is some horror shit. It's making a lot of noise. It's all good. It's whatever. So we just peel this off just quick. Ow. Alright, let's put this hammer this real quick. Alright, as I can see, we have a bunch of copper here. I hear people in the distance, like kind of just talking, but alright, hold on. Let me see if I can zoom in. Alright, I can't zoom in for you guys, so hold on. Alright, I had to change the mode for you guys because I wanted you guys to see. Hold on, I'm getting really snotty here. Alright, you guys can see, like right here. So we got some aluminum here, right here. Could be steel, but pretty sure it's aluminum. Take this piece out. And there we go, guys. We got transformer here with wire, copper wire in it. And then we have some more aluminum. Could be steel. I should have brought my magnet, but I forgot to. It's all good. We're just gonna take this whole thing here. Right here. Let's see. There's the other ones too, the copper in it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, there's probably still more stuff in here, but let's take this magnet with us. This will be a good magnet with us for this video. Just want to break it so I can use it. Hold on. I pick it up. Okay. Oh, you guys can't see that anymore. Let me change this over so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm just trying to take the plastic out. Just take the magnet out real quick. See if we can. Okay, we can pop it open. And here we go, we get the magnet here. So let's go ahead and test this. This doesn't stick, so it's aluminum. Does it stick? So it's aluminum. So we're gonna take this, I'm gonna put this in a bag just so it doesn't get in my bag and like get it all dirty and stuff. So we're just gonna throw these pieces in here, and then we'll go ahead and move on to the next dumpster and see if we can find anything. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys. So we're going to the next dumpster. I got a big bottle this time because it carries more in one bottle, so I don't have to carry two smaller bottles. I could just carry one big bottle all the way filled up. Check this dumpster over here. And there's basically 4 dumpsters in one sitting. So the chances of us getting any more scrap, it just depends. I mean, I think that's the only dumpster sitting that they have over here on this side. So basically the whole apartment complex on this side over here, they all gotta take all the stuff over there in one sitting, in one spot. So so yeah, guys. So I mean, the really chances are of getting some scrap over here. I don't know. We just have to see. I never really go over here on this spot. At this spot, sometimes it's rare, but I don't know, guys. What you guys think? Will we find anything over here or what? You know? So I don't know. Hold on. I gotta close my bag up. Alrighty. So really close. You know what? Over here, there might be some stuff back here because they always leave stuff back here. I'm talking about vintage stuff, laptops, TVs, you know. Never know. Let's take a look, guys, at what we got back here. Seems to be a bunch of doors and stuff. Doorknobs. I could take those, actually. Thinking about taking these doorknobs. That would be some good brass right there. Yellow brass or something. Well, I gotta sneeze, guys. I feel like I can't sneeze. Alright, I think I might knock off these doorknobs real quick. And, well, actually, I might just see if I can knock them off. I'm not really sure if I can, but we'll see. So I'm gonna put you guys right here. Real quick. Let's see if these doorknobs will come off. Alright, so I'm gonna hold this right here just so the camera doesn't fall off. Alright, let's knock off this one. Pull that one out. Alright, there we go. Not really sure what the price is on brass right now, but these are good to scrap right here if you just come across them. So I'm gonna put these in my bag real quick, and then we can get the other doorknob over here. So I'll put you guys right here. Yeah, put you guys right there. Sniffles today, guys. I don't know why. Alright, you guys can see that, right? Okay, just making sure. There we go, baby. There we go. Woohoo! Alrighty. Let's turn this over real quick. guys. Let's go ahead and scratch this door now real quick. And there we go. You got the doorknob, the brass doorknob here, yellow brass. Alrighty, that's it, guys. Let's go to the next dumpster. Stay tuned. They got anything for us today that we might need to scrap? Just furniture and stuff. Trash. Alright, so there's a dumpster over here that I always go to. When I come through here, I always go through this dumpster because it's right behind this fence right here. So, and I find a lot of stuff there, like microwaves, a lot of vacuums. Like I found a lot of vacuums over at this dumpster, and a few TVs. But other than that, furniture and stuff like that. But mostly like microwaves and vacuums over here. So there should be something over here. These right here, I don't really check because nothing over here is really, they don't really put too much like stuff that I can scrap. Shows you on this dumpster here. And this fence right here is like right where the dumpster is. It's over that fence. So we're gonna walk over here and see if we can find anything. Hopefully we can, because I want to keep scrapping for you guys. Keep finding some scrap. Hopefully we can find some more doorknobs to add to our yellow brass collection. All right, there's a chair over here, and I want to find something so bad. Does this have a copper in it, guys? I think there's like a small electric motor in here, but I don't think there's like a big one in here. So I don't think there's gonna be any over here. So what's this right here? There's a cord remote. Alright, so I think I know a spot where we could possibly find some scrap. But it might take me a minute to get there, a little minute. So really I'm just checking to see if this dumpster's over here. Sometimes they rent out dumpsters and they put a bunch of stuff in there. Just double checking real quick, because there's probably ain't nothing over there. But I know we can find some scrap. It's gonna be a little walk, but that's alright. I was planning on doing a loop anyways, just to see if we can find anything else. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoying this vlog. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button if you're really enjoying this vlog here. So yeah, it's gonna take us a minute to get there, but we'll get there. I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. Alrighty, we're at some dumpsters over here, and this one I barely go to. Like, it's rare if I go over here, but there could be something over here. They only got like one dumpster over here, but that's fine. Alrighty. They don't really have anything over here. They never do. Let's keep looking though. Seems like we have a couch. Let's open this up real quick. Is it a key right there? Ooh, it's hot out here, guys. Bunch of tables. Scoot this over here. Ow, my leg. Shit, I can't get over here now. There's something over here. There's got to be something. Got a mat. Looks like a couch. I really don't think there's anything over here. I could have used this couch, man. I really want this couch. Ow! Ow! That couch is nice. I could use that couch, man. I really could, but I have no way of getting it. Honestly, to reuse it, but yeah. Let's go to the next dumpster. 2 dumpsters, actually. I was thinking about going to Copper Island, but not sure just yet. But if I do decide to go over there today, then I'll definitely let you guys know. Ooh. But yeah, guys, it's been a decent day today. We found a few things. Found a little bit of copper, a little bit of aluminum, a little bit of yellow brass. You don't really come across yellow brass a lot. For some reason, I don't come across yellow brass a lot. That's rare. It's rare to find yellow brass, but it is good to collect because, you know, I'm not really sure how much yellow brass is right now, honestly. Well, it is a beautiful day out here today. The wind is really it's got a really cool feeling. Like it's not really a hot wind, it's like a cool wind. I really like it. So even though it is hot today, it's not, I don't think it's too hot. Like, I don't know, you know? But it is hot out here, it's blazing though. But I mean, you know. But yeah, guys, we're almost there. And you know, I just want to say thank you guys, you know. Thank you guys. This is a dream come true. Yeah. I never thought I would do this good in YouTube. I mean, I thought I would, but I thought I wasn't going to. I thought I was going to quit. Now I'm going to keep going for you guys. No matter what. Even if I don't have a bike trailer, or a bike, or a working bike, or a bike trailer. I mean, even though I do have it, but I mean, you know, I'm just saying, like, even though I can't really use it right now, I still make videos for you guys, no matter what. No matter what. Alright? So, yeah. Alright, so here's the, I'm going to show you. So it's right there. Where I'm pointing at right there, that's where the dumpster is. Just gotta make it over there. See, it looks like it's really dirty over there. Like a bunch of trash on the ground. So there should be something. There's gotta be something over here. So I'm really thinking about going to Copper Island, but I'm not really sure just yet. Because I want to make this video long for you guys. I want to make it like 45, 50 minutes. I'm going to try to get at 50 minutes, guys. I'm telling you. Let's see if my storage will let me. I'm not really sure if it will or not, but we'll see. If not, then we'll just get it to 45 minutes. Alrighty. Ooh, we got a dryer, dishwasher. Ooh. But I need the screwdriver, bro. Skis. Oh. Maybe I could pry it open. It should be right here, the copper pipes and stuff. Hold on, let me see if there's anything else. I'm gonna take my hammer out and see if I can pry it open and see if there's anything in there that we can get. Maybe some copper pipes or electric motor, something like that. So let me get this set up real quick. Okay, let me push this up. Get it. You know what? I'm gonna just put my bag down real quick. I'll get my hammer out and we will try to pry it open. Let's see if we can do it. I'm not really sure if we can or not, but alrighty. Put my tripod down. You guys see the home? Yeah, let's put it like right there. Yeah, that's good right there. Alright. Now let's see if we can pry this open. Yeah, a little bit. Down. I'm not sure if this is gonna work out. Because I look in here and there seems to be nothing in here. Seems to be nothing in here to scrap. Unless, I don't know. It's probably somewhere up here. Yeah, it probably. So, I couldn't get it open. Well, I pried it open basically, but I didn't see the copper pipes. I couldn't see the copper pipes, so it should have. It probably, most likely, it was up on the higher side of the dryer or the washer, whatever it was. I think it was the washer or dryer, one of the two. So, ooh. What is this? Green tea, organic? Organic green tea. Found a packet of green tea. How awesome is that? I can add this to my I got a green tea box at home. It's like lemon green tea, 100% green tea. They say green tea is really good for you. They say it's organic too. So that's why I drink it. It's because it's healthy. I actually need to drink some today. I haven't drunk some in like a week. Alright, there should be something over here, guys. See this dumpster over here? Hopefully we can find something over here. Stroller. Oh, a treadmill. Looks like someone's been in it. Guys, this is awesome. Looks like someone's been messing with it. Dang. What is this right here? Is this a electric motor? I'm pretty sure that's an electric motor right here. Dang, someone's been in it. I don't know if they was gonna take it or not, but or maybe they was trying to fix it, maybe. Ooh, I don't have a screwdriver. I need a screwdriver, man. That's why I can't take it. Cause I don't got no screwdriver. Oh well, it's not good. It's too heavy anyways. I got a backpack. That's probably weighs like 20 pounds, 20, 30 pounds. Putting that in my bag, it's just gonna be so exhausting carrying it. So I'm trying to think right now if I want to go to Copper Island or not, or I can go another day, Copper Island, so I can try to find some copper. I'm not sure if I want to go. Should we go, guys? Not really sure. I don't even know if I have enough footage for it. Alright, guys, so I've decided, this damn horn. So I've decided to go to Copper Island today. So we're headed over there right now. So we're gonna go over there and see if we can find anything. Hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. That is really cold water. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna fill this up real quick. You guys see that? Okay. Yeah, that's really cold water, guys, and we need that on this trip to Copper Island. So we're gonna fill this bottle up with water. Oh yeah. Alrighty, we got a big bottle of water here. Take that with us. So we are hydrated and let's go to Copper Island, guys. Hey guys, last but not least, we have a copper motor here. We found one in the dumpster at Copper Island today. That's what I gotta. Okay. Alright, so without busting the tube, we're going to hit this a few times. Cut this piece off. Oh, let me grab my gloves real quick. Alright. Get this off here. Right. Alrighty. I think someone already busted the tube here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm gonna have to push it up a little bit. Actually, I'm just gonna take it out. See? Alright, so we gotta get this taken apart here. Wait, let me put this somewhere else so you guys can see. Alright, so we got the copper motor here, and right here. Nice. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is take the glass out. So kind of just tapping it out. Make Alrighty. Then hit it a few times with the it's got some kind of metal on it. There we go. We got this piece here. That's probably copper coated, aluminum coated copper. So we're just gonna take this out right here. Oh, my bad. Didn't mean to move the camera like that. Alrighty, guys, and there we go. And that is the copper. And then this is the aluminum copper here. Let me bust this out real quick. Yeah, that's the copper here, aluminum. You can really tell this is aluminum because it's red and not brown, that pink brown like this. So now we got aluminum, copper, aluminum coated, and copper. Alrighty, guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog today. I hope you really guys liked it too. If you like this video, do not forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Comment down below. Thanks for watching.